Salutations cruisers, and welcome back to a new week of our popular Cruise Hive news updates. We begin with 4 news stories as Carnival passengers brawl in Galveston terminal luggage hall. Another scam targets cruisers, as well as guests lose balcony access due to maintenance, and outrage over unused pool chairs. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. I scam you not, as Carnival Cruise Line's beloved cruise director Kindle Fire Maggia, now aboard Carnival Jubilee in Cozumel, is warning fans about scams using her name. Maggia, with 150,000 Facebook fans and 50,000 Instagram followers, stressed she never asked for money or personal information. Fake accounts have targeted guests with donation requests via PayPal, using poor grammar and odd phrasing. Likewise, Carnival's brand ambassador John Heald, with 650,000 followers, has faced impersonators. Guests must stay alert, like in May of last year when a Carnival celebration guest lost $15,000 cruise after posting booking details online. Cruise guests were surprised this week when they lost balcony access due to routine maintenance. One cruiser shared on Reddit that they were asked to close blinds and stay off their balcony until painting was completed. Initially expected a 3-day wait, like a neighbour's cabin, they were relieved when access was restored after just 24 hours. Now, while the ship and cruise lines weren't specified, it's a reminder that at-sea maintenance, like painting and window washing, is essential. Carnival Cruise Line even started using eco-friendly door hangers in summer last year to notify guests. Maintenance often happens at sea to avoid costly delays. On Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas in March this year, TikToker Jess at JessTravel7 went viral after calling out guests who reserved pool chairs by just tossing towels on them. Her March the 1st video hit 3.2 million views, and a follow-up on March the 13th showed crew finally stepping in after an hour. Jess, along with many commentators, slammed the behaviour as pure entitlement. Despite Royal Caribbean's 30-minute unintended chair policy, enforcement was spotty, even on Symphony of the Seas in the month of February. Jess's videos have since gathered over 7.5 million views. On April the 26th, chaos erupted at Texas Galveston Cruise Terminal when passengers disembarking Carnival Jubilee got into a massive brawl in the luggage hall. The ship had just returned from a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise that began in Galveston on April the 19th. Footage shows 24 guests attacking 2 others while kids and bystanders watched. Carnival Cruise Line banned all 24 people, stating the matter is now with US Customs and Border Patrol. No arrest or injuries have been confirmed yet, but consequences are expected to be serious. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.